Right, this may be a bit of a crazy idea, but here I am in Tinkercad, and first of all I'll drag these parts about to show you them sort of lined up. This is basically for Creality Ender 5 Plus, but the basic idea should do most printers, obviously with some redesign to hold your hot end extruder, whatever you might have on your printer. Now, instead of blowing, it's going to use a vacuum to actually suck air in and there is quite a tight gap round here. Now this could be, you could ask a service like PC weighs it, something like that, that will print out in metal, to maybe print this in metal to withstand the heat. But the small gap there, the air will suck in and it will actually hopefully pull the filament up to overcome gravity that might cause the filament to sag when you're bridging. That's the basic idea. Now, as I say there, one issue is that the nozzle will be pushing the filament out to a certain extent and down. So whether this would work or not, I don't know. It's a bit of a crazy idea. And you're going to have heat off the heat bed, if you've got the heat bed on, also being sucked up to a certain extent, but the power of the vacuum should be enough to overcome that. So it's a bit of a crazy idea.